This is a gorgeous new Rotax 503 engine that just came in out of a 1980 Ski-Doo Blizzard 550. It is the 503 and it's dual carb. I've got it set up here on a test stand and we're going to do a compression test on it because it's got outstanding compression. Then we're going to do a little run-up test. Alright, we're going to do the compression test on the PTO side first. Okay, now we're going to do the mag side. Okay, I've got this motor set up, or this camera set up on the bench here because I lost my cameraman. And I want to show this motor start and run.